Today I'm going to show you how to make one really good burger recipe that's ready in 2 minutes. Okay guys, here I have some ground beef, 80-20. And what we're going to do is we're going to roll them up, 2-3 ounces, right about this size right here. All right guys, here we go. Here I have my griddle patty nice and hot with a little bit of melted butter. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take my patty right like this. I'm just going to flatten it out with my hand. You can use a spatula. Flatten it out. This is going to take 30 seconds to 45 seconds, probably per side. Okay guys, so it's been about 45 seconds, and you know this burger is ready to get flipped when you see all this nice juice on the top. So that's what we're going to do. We're just going to give it a nice flip. And that's what we're going for. Nice sear. Alright, now we're going to add some salt and pepper. Now I'm going to add some American cheese. You can use whatever cheese you like. Then a second patty. Right, and while that cheese is melting, let's toast up a bun. Take about 25-30 seconds. Right guys, so the cheese is melting up nice. I'm just going to finish it off with a little bit of butter on the top. And just kind of let that melt down. And then we'll be in business. Alright, so the butter's melted. Only took a couple seconds. Let's get this bad boy plated up. Alright guys, so here we go. Got my toasted bun. To that I'm going to add some of my homemade Big Mac sauce. Absolutely killer recipe. A little Big Mac sauce. Then some tomatoes. Alright, now some iceberg lettuce. Our burger. A little more of the Mac sauce. And then we'll top it right off. Let's get into this. Alright guys, let's get into this right now. This is one amazing, super simple, easy recipe. I mean, look at that thing, right? Let's give it a taste test. Wow. Guys, that is absolutely one amazing burger. Not seasoned too much. With the lettuce, the tomatoes, and the Big Mac sauce, this is one recipe I really want you to try. Let me know what you think. Drop me a comment, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you right here next time.